Hello, people. I am Jabby Koei. Joining me is Achara, Greg, and John.
That's me.
I almost said Ryan again.
It's okay. It's gonna stick in your mind.
God damn it.
It's okay. I can be right.
All right, so we're gonna continue watching Humorously Yours, episode 3 of season 1, also called Merapati. Vipul and Kavya take a trip to Goa to spend some quality time.
Why
together.
spoilers? Spoilers.
Watch awesome shows and videos every week on TVF Play app and website. Because it's not on TV, it's on TVF.
That's so weird.
It's like Budweiser. Who drinks that?
विपुल वेब चेक इन किया लास्ट मिनट विंडो सीट्स नहीं मिलती सिर्फ मिडिल सीट्स बचती है
I'll have to pay a big price for this.
वेब चेकिंग का भी चार्ज हो गया है
नहीं, big price for ditching Bushi. You have no idea वो गोवा शो के लिए कितना excited था.
यू शुड एक्सप्लेन टू हिम ना पोस्ट मैरिज किसी भी सेंस से ज्यादा important price.
What happened?
He said Kavya. Who?
Too long a pause.
अरे वो कौन सा pause
अरे छोटी सी एटलीस्ट मेक इट बिलीवेबल डोंट यू थिंक हमारी मैरिज इतना एफर्ट तो डिजर्व करती है
Okay, I'm sorry. I promise I'll get better. At the line.
डिवोर्स में डिसेंट एलिमनी के लिए तुम्हारी सक्सेस का वेट करना पड़ेगा
shit.
गॉड नोस व्हेन दैट विल बी
Ouch. My male ego.
अब भी बचा है मॉम डैड की वेडिंग एनिवर्सरी में बॉम्ब होने के बाद तो खत्म हो गया होगा
Oh hello, मैंने पहले डिस्क्लेमर डाला था मेरा कंटेंट यूथ ओरिएंटेड है. ये मम्मी पापा की ऑडियंस को समझ नहीं आएगा.
हाँ
आप शादी.com वाली जनरेशन को टेंडर जोक्स थोड़ी ना समझ आएंगे.
अच्छा स्टॉप गेटिंग डिफेंसिव एंड स्टार्ट योर पैकिंग
वैसे तुम इतनी पैकिंग क्या कर रही हो? You realize ना हम लोग सिर्फ एक नाइट के लिए जा रहे हैं गोवा में.
Exactly, that's why it has to be all perfect. You have no idea कितना लड़ झगड़ के comp off मिली ऑफिस से. I had to threaten quitting. So don't fuck it up, huh?
Don't know what they're saying.
Yeah, me neither. I don't know how to
Take minute. How would I fuck it up?
I don't know, you just always know how to do it.
You know what, Kavya? I don't think मैंने लास्ट 2 साल में तुम्हारे मुंह से अपनी कोई भी तारीफ सुनी है.
Really?
I mean, forget facts, just by law of averages. मैंने कभी तो कुछ सही किया होगा.
हाँ, but then I wait
For?
for your next fuck up.
Wow.
No, that tone, Kavya.
She's a pistol.
You know what? In fact, I'll prove it to you right now. ये बैग दो मुझे.
क्या कर रहे हो?
नहीं सुनो ना, इस बार सारे गोवा की प्लानिंग और पैकिंग
No, don't let him. Don't let him do it.
अगर कुछ भी गलती हुई, कुछ भी, I promise I will never question your judgment again.
कुछ भी गलती हुई तो मतलब होगी गलती.
सुनो ना. I'm sorry, I was wrong.
Are you mad? मुश्किल से एक दिन मिली है. Please give that
Come on,
bag
Kavya,
back.
please trust me. Don't you think हमारी मैरिज इतना एफर्ट तो डिजर्व करती है? One chance.
Why is he putting himself in this situation?
Oh, he's screwed. He did something bad.
I bet he did.
It's today's
Did you
lesson.
pack my sunscreen lotion?
अगर नहीं भी किया होगा तो do you really think हमें गोवा में सनस्क्रीन लोशन नहीं मिलेगा?
लेकिन 50 SPF वाला लोशन नहीं मिलता.
रिलैक्स. तुम्हारे हैंडबैग के अंदर वाले राइट पॉकेट.
That was slick.
वो बीच टावल ब्लू वाला
डाल
बाहर.
दिया.
बाइक को
कॉल
कॉल
कर दिया.
डस्टबिन
खाली कर दिया. दूध वाले को मना कर दिया. वायरलेस हेडफोन इज चार्ज. गीजर इज ऑफ. डोर इज लॉक्ड.
So forget
और
it.
फिर मेरे सन
He's doing too well. Something's gonna
Yes,
go
it's
wrong.
like I can't believe that
That would be a good
nothing's
time
gonna
to
go wrong.
say sorry, Vipul. I was wrong.
Not yet.
Don't get too cocky.
No.
Got the tickets or
मैं नेट पे
something.
लो. फ्लाइट में सोऊंगी कैसे?
कवर क्या है? जबरदस्ती की फॉल्ट बंद निकालो. सिर्फ 1 घंटे की तो फ्लाइट है. आराम से मेरे कंधे पे सर रख के सो जाना. I wouldn't mind at all.
Fine. Sorry.
एक मिनट. रिकॉर्ड कर.
Sorry, Vipul. Maybe this time I was wrong.
Oh, the mighty Kavya falls. Look at you. So good for my male ego.
I'm serious about that neck thing, okay? इसलिए विंडो सीट प्रेफर करती हूँ. कौन सी सीट हमारी वो वेब चेकिंग वाला मेल फॉरवर्ड करो?
Oh no!
Oh, that's the worst.
Loves that T-shirt.
Oh, has he worn that in every episode?
I think so.
वो वेब चेकिंग करना भूल गया. आपको भी मेरे कंधे पे सर रखना है तो रख लो. एक ही घंटे की बात है.
You brought a neck pillow. Yep. Those things don't work that well.
No,
No,
I
they
hate
don't.
them.
I'm like, good idea. Execute.
You know what I
cheap one.
You know what I used one year as a blow-up pillow, like that is long, and you strap it to the chair so that you kind of fall on it.
Okay.
But even those aren't great. Like,
I've always preferred the blow-up ones, but I feel like they're harder to find now.
I just buy the seat next to me.
I don't see how that fixes anything. You just-
Nothing is too good for my neck.
Just buy the whole row.
I feel like neck pillows should have like a dome that comes up on the back to cradle your noggin.
Yeah.
I think you should.
Well, they actually have
make
chairs
that.
that you can fold out now, but they should make it like fold out far enough to keep your forehead there so it doesn't move forward.
It's like an enclosure for your head.
How many people have flown by Air India यार? Air India से कितने लोग travel? नहीं मेरे को बहुत बुरा लगता है ना लोग एयर इंडिया के बाद ट्रैवल करके आते और ऐसे मतलब ऐसी मुंह बना के आते हो यार. एयर होस्टेस बहुत बूढ़ी थी यार. मजा नहीं आया. मतलब मजे के लिए थी भी नहीं वो फ्लाइट. एसएल वर्ल्ड नहीं जा रहे थे आप. ये क्या रॉन्ग एक्सपेक्टेशन लेके चढ़ रहे हो प्लेन में मतलब. बहुत बूढ़ी थी यार. बूढ़ी थी. तो जेट एयरवेज की जवान होती वहां क्या उखाड़ लेते हो आप मतलब.
So there's one guy in the
दो बार
crowd
जाते ही
now.
मजा
I know, it's-
होता नहीं उधर भी. कौन से एयरवेज आपको देख के दीवानी हो रही हो. माय गॉड जस्ट लुक एट शर्मा जी's leg room, you know. Oh, there is so much stubbornness there. इनका सीट बेल्ट तो मैं फास्टर नहीं लूजन करूंगी यार. ऐसा नहीं होता उधर भी. फिर आपने देखा
I think it's a sex joke or something that's going over my head.
सबका कॉमन रिएक्शन होता है. तो 40 सबका कॉमन रिएक्शन होता है. बट आपने देखा नो मैटर कितना रफ टर्बुलेंस हो हर फ्लाइट में एक आदमी जरूर होता है. वो थ्रू आउट द जर्नी सोता ही रहता है मतलब. उसको अलग ही कॉन्फिडेंस है पायलट पे यार. यार ये लेके जाएगा यार. अरे ये ऐसी डराता है नाटक करता है यू होता है. मैं तो जानता हूँ यार इसको. फिर आप लैंड होते हो. आप देखो आप लैंड होने के बाद जब कन्वेयर बेल्ट पे लगेज ढूंढ रहे हो तो उस समय आदमी सबसे ज्यादा इंपेशेंट होता है कि अब निकलूं यार. अभी हो गया. पर आपका बैग हमेशा लेट ही आता है. और हमेशा एक बैग होता है जो फर्स्ट राउंड में आया था बड़ा सा बैग और वो घूमता रहता है. घूमता रहता है. उसके माँ बाप आते ही नहीं है यार. उसको कोई हाथ ही नहीं लगा था मतलब. एक बार बैग भी सोचा था शिट यार कि मैं मांगलिक तो नहीं हूँ यार.
I don't get that one.
फिर मैं गोवा घूमने गया. आपने देखा लोग गोवा में जाकर बहुत बैकी बैकी बातें करने लग जाते हैं. मेरा फ्रेंड गोवा बैठ के I belong here. Goa is my spirit animal. नहीं गोवा के सबको ऐसा लगता है. अगर आपको बीच बियर और बिकनी देखने को मिले तो आप इमोशनली अटैच हो जाते हो थोड़ा सा. कोई भी गाजियाबाद मीरठ जाके नहीं बोलता dude I belong here. मायावती is my spirit animal. ऐसा कोई नहीं
Yeah,
होता.
well, like, you know, I don't know. I just assume they're bad places. Based on the joke.
Or just not overly like destination-y.
Right.
Just like standard issue cities.
तो ये साइलेंट ट्रीटमेंट कब तक चलेगा? एनी टाइमलाइंस?
बात कर तो रही हूँ.
आई डोंट थिंक ये बैग डिक्की में रख दो काउंट्स. उसके अलावा तुमने कुछ नहीं बोला यार. पूरे रास्ते इग्नोर किया.
I wasn't ignoring you.
कम ऑन काव्या यार तुम कैब में भी मेरे को छोड़ के आके ड्राइवर के साथ बैठी थी. ऊपर से पीकू के गाना और चला रही थी. पीछे फेल्ट लाइक एन अनवांटेड अमिताभ.
Welcome to your rooms. How may I help you, sir?
या सो वी हैव अ
Pico's
बुकिंग
a movie.
अंडर मिस्टर
Okay.
विपुल गोयल.
Sure, sir. Can I have your IDs, please?
या श्योर.
Thank you. I'll be right back with you.
मिस्टर विपुल गोयल. हेलो सर.
Palash, head of Prism International Events.
ओह यस ऑफ कोर्स काव्या ये हमारे इवेंट के मैनेजर पलाश जी.
Hello.
काव्या माय वाइफ.
नमस्ते भाभी जी.
फ्लाइट कैसी रही आपकी?
That was so weird.
वेरी कंफर्टेबल हाँ
सही, चलिए सर ठीक है। हमारा तो यही रहता है कि हमारे सारे आर्टिस्ट वेरी कंफर्टेबल हो। वो तो जब मुझे रंजीत जी ने बताया कि आपको इसी होटल में बुक करवाना है तो
नहीं वो एक्चुअली ना मेरे ऑल ओवर इंडिया शोज होते हैं तो फिर मैं वही प्रेफर करता हूँ, प्रेडिक्टेबल रहता है,
Yes.
टेंशन नहीं, आर्टिस्ट फोकस कर पाए अपना।
ओके ओके। वैसे ये रंजीत आपको कब से मैनेज कर रहे हैं?
अराउंड 6-7 months। क्यों?
नहीं अरे सर सब बढ़िया है,
lot of time's
बढ़िया आदमी है सर, अच्छा है। मैं बस वो कह रहा था कि सर मतलब आप जैसे बड़े आर्टिस्ट को ना सर थोड़ा सा अपने मैनेजमेंट को कस के रखना चाहिए सर।
मैं कुछ समझा नहीं।
अभी मुझे आपकी फ्लाइट डिटेल चाहिए थी, ठीक है, और क्योंकि आप फ्लाइट में थे तो मैं आपको तो कॉल नहीं कर सकता था, तो इसलिए मैंने रंजीत को कॉल किया। पूरा टाइम अनअवेलेबल सर। मतलब मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि सर मतलब मैनेजर को इवेंट के दिन तो ये मेक श्योर करना चाहिए ना कि सर फोन लगे।
नहीं बट ऐसे अनअवेलेबल रहता नहीं है वो।
सर मैं मतलब अभी कॉल करता हूँ।
अरे नहीं इसकी क्या जरूरत, पलाश जी
नहीं अरे सर मैं आपको बताता हूँ, डायल कॉल्स में है सर मेरे।
Make sure your phone's turned off.
ये एक सेकंड, ये लो अब रिंग जा रही है। अब रिंग जा रही है, अब उठा नहीं रहा।
That was
मैं
good
आपको
from
बोल रहा हूँ सर
The Departed.
ज्यादा नहीं सर, बस थोड़ा सा सर इनको कस के रखिए
ये
सर।
काफी केयरलेस बिहेवियर है।
वही तो
आई
सर।
विल लुक इनटू इट पलाश जी।
बिल्कुल सर। अभी ठीक है सर, फिर आप अपना एंजॉय कीजिए, तो शाम को सर डायरेक्ट वेन्यू पे मिलते हैं।
हाँ ये सही रहेगा।
ठीक है चलिए, ठीक है नमस्ते भाभी जी।
थैंक्स। यार ये रंजीत के चक्कर में फंसूंगा एक दिन।
Really? So you're blaming a fictitious character for your father?
It's funny. I like her.
Their relationship reminds me of Ray Romano and what's her name from Everybody Loves Raymond.
Patricia something. Deborah.
Sorry to keep
Deborah,
you
yeah.
waiting, sir.
Yeah.
You're flying in from Mumbai?
Yes.
Okay.
And we are on a honeymoon.
Oh wow! Congratulations. Let me see if I can arrange something special for you. Sir, it says that you have a reservation for only one night
Yes.
on your honeymoon.
Oh no.
Actually, हमारी love marriage है।
Oh. Okay.
इसने मुझे प्रपोज किया था।
It was a game. I was given a dare.
कौन का यार ऐसे मत। और मैं सुनाता हूँ आपको, बहुत फनी
Oh
है।
God.
तो क्या हुआ था, हमारी कॉमन फ्रेंड की हाउस वार्मिंग पार्टी थी।
Uncomfortable.
अब मुफ्त की दौड़े तो लोग औकात से ज्यादा हाई, मतलब अब काव्या क्या साइड में अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ ट्रूथ और डेयर खेल रही है, और उसके पहले हम 3-4 बार ही मिले, कुछ ज्यादा इंटरेक्शन है नहीं। अब क्या हुआ कि इसके फ्रेंड ने इसको किया डेयर टू प्रपोज टू मी। अब मैं साइड में खड़ा लड़की के साथ चिट-चैट कर रहा हूँ इनोसेंटली, भाई मेरा वो भी टॉरस, तो मेरा कॉमन कनेक्शन निकल आया। और बीच में काव्या पीछे से अप्रोच करके बोलती है, एक्सक्यूज मी विपुल, आई थिंक आई रियली लाइक यू, डू यू आल्सो फील द सेम फॉर मी। अब यार मैं ठहरा इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज से, यार लड़की को ना थोड़ी कर सकते हैं राइट, तो मैंने भी मतलब एकदम से मुंह फाड़ के बोल दिया हाँ मी टू, मतलब अरे सब लोग देखते रह गए और मैंने भी एकदम से बोल दिया उसे, मतलब बोलते बोलते रियलाइज हुआ ये इतना फनी भी नहीं है।
Yes, sir. Still, let me see if I can do anything for you.
Oh man.
He's probably sorry for the wife.
Oh man, that was
What are we supposed to do with a complimentary bike?
peak discomfort.
अरे नहीं नहीं, गोवा घूमने का तो असली मजा बाइक पे ही है।
इतनी धूप में मैं नहीं जा रही। Let's call a cab.
बुशी तो कभी मना नहीं करता। साथ में करते ना, लेट्स डू दिस टुगेदर। आओ आओ, होल्ड मी,
God, that must suck.
रेडी,
Ready.
Oh no, in shorts? Oh, that's the worst.
Yeah.
3
You ever get in your car when it's really hot?
Oh man, back when I
I
had
can
less.
imagine.
pretty.
I can imagine a motorcycle being like 10 times worse.
Well,
I
just
want to
all
go to
centralized.
Yeah, well, it's exposed to the elements. Like it's just outside.
That too, yeah.
I'm just concerned for their safety. They have no helmets.
Well,
It's very dangerous.
I'd be very surprised if something horrible happened.
just
Snap
becomes
their necks on the road.
all of a sudden
ये
becomes
वाला
a
कितने का भैया?
heroin.
300 रुपए
330 में दीजिए चलिए.
अरे बुशी समझ यार, मैं माल फ्लाइट में लेके नहीं आ सकता. What do you mean मेरा चेहरा भोला है तो कोई शक नहीं करेगा? बाय यार.
It's stealing it's stealing
No,
another
I
bike.
just don't know which one's their bike.
Oh,
It's like when you have a Prius in the city, you're like,
Yeah.
which one's mine?
That's
नहीं,
true.
बुशी, मैं उस
That
चीज़ के
happens
लिए
to me
बस
a
नहीं
lot.
है. फिर मुझे उल्टी आती है. तू पागल है क्या? बोर्ड से गोवा टू मुंबई कौन आता है?
Aw.
that's not real.
नो वे बुशी. मैं अपने अंडरवेयर में कुछ भी रख के नहीं आऊंगा. हाँ, फाइनल है. What do you mean काव्या के अंडरवेयर? तुझे चूतिया आ गया? I'm so glad that whole plane seat thing is behind us.
It's not behind us. It's been archived.
अब ये क्या है?
It can be recalled in a future.
साइड में सिर्फ मेरे फकअप से स्टोर होते हैं या कुछ पॉजिटिव चीजों के लिए भी स्पेस है?
एक फोल्डर है लेकिन it's empty.
Aw, I'm sure he's done some nice things.
He's just busting his balls.
Yeah.
Aww. Drone.
Yeah, those things are. I need to buy one of those because you get some pretty damn good shots with that thing.
Yeah.
लगता है काफी लेट हो चुका है. थोड़ी आगे की तरफ
Samosas now.
और मोबाइल का स्टॉप ऑन कर लो. जैसे 28 मिनट हो मुझे ऐसे से वेव कर देना.
क्यों?
अरे 30 मिनट के पैसे दिए हैं. क्यों फालतू में एक्स्ट्रा कंटेंट करना? याद रखना. अरे पलाश जी.
सब तुम जाओ.
कहाँ थे आप? मैं कब से आपका फोन ट्राई कर रहा था.
अरे सॉरी वो रास्ता ढूंढने में थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम होगी ना.
आपको बस 5 मिनट में ऑन स्टेज जाना है. एक बार एमसी से मिलवा देता हूँ, वो आपको स्टेज पर इंट्रोड्यूस कर देगी.
परफेक्ट परफेक्ट.
डॉली, ये है विपुल जी.
हाय.
Is that?
Oh, mimicry artist.
नहीं स्टैंड अप कॉमेडियन.
हाँ, same thing.
अरे नहीं नहीं काफी डिफरेंट चीज होती है.
Audience को हंसाओगे ना?
हाँ.
What is wrong
तो
with her?
विपिन तुम्हें
विपुल.
हाँ?
विपुल
अच्छा तुम्हें
मेरा नाम.
हैंड फ्री माइक चाहिए या
नहीं मुझे बस हाथ वाला माइक ही चाहिए.
नहीं? अगर तुम्हें अपने हाथ फ्री रखने हैं तो यू कैन टेल मी.
फ्री क्यों रखने हैं मुझे?
नहीं, कुछ स्टेप वैप करना हो तुम्हारे लिए बहुत इजी रहेगा फिर.
अरे नहीं नहीं मैं बस खड़े होके ही बात करता हूँ.
अच्छा ओके. तो तुम यहीं खड़े रहना, ठीक है? ताकि जब मैं तुम्हारा नाम लूँ तुम अंदर आ जाना. ओके? Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the second night of Shivam Transport Annual Retreat. कल की तूफानी म्यूजिकल में तो हमने खूब धूम मचाई है कि नहीं? बोलो बोलो हाँ कि ना? तो कल की शाम के बाद हम आज आपके लिए लाए हैं एक कंप्लीटली नया फ्लेवर. आज का जो पहला आइटम है उससे आपके पेट में दर्द होगा. घबराइए नहीं, खाने
the
में
audience
कोई
is not
गड़बड़ी
his
नहीं है,
audience,
आपके पेट में
right?
हंसते हंसते दर्द होगा.
It's like
जी
older
हाँ, आज
families
शाम
and
की शुरुआत
stuff, older
करेंगे हम
people.
एक गुदगुदाते
अरे यार समोसे नहीं, बहन चो पकौड़े बोले थे. अरे कितना टाइम लगाते हो
अरे
यार.
पलाश जी. अरे ये तो पूरी फैमिली ऑडियंस है इधर. वो रंजीत ने तो बताया था कुछ एम्प्लॉइज के लिए शो होने वाला है. और
हाँ सर, तो ये सब तो शिवम ट्रांसपोर्ट्स के तो एम्प्लॉइज हैं. साल अच्छा रहा तो कंपनी ने विद फैमिली गोवा रिट्रीट रखी है.
अरे नहीं आप समझे नहीं. एक्चुअली मेरा पूरा कंटेंट यूथ ओरिएंटेड है और 50% जोक्स तो मैं इंग्लिश में करता हूँ. 20 ऑडियंस.
डोंट वरी सर, यहाँ सब समझते हैं. मैच भी इंग्लिश कमेंट्री में देखते हैं.
Oh, this is gonna go. Oh, she messed up his name.
Good evening everybody. Are you guys having fun?
Oh, crap.
Okay.
Let's do some improv, dude.
Let me just introduce myself. So my name is Vipul Goyal, and about my material, I only like to talk about things that I personally experienced in my life, and that's the reason why I never do sex jokes. Yeah, so big Salman Khan fan. Any Salman Khan
Clearly
fans do we
good
have in the
show.
audience? Sir? Yeah, because I like Salman because he's so cool, right? वो कुछ भी करते हैं, doesn't give a damn. Like recently he was accused by Katrina Kaif and Aishwarya Rai of domestic violence. And Sallu Boy was like, हाँ तो मतलब क्या हो गया? Yeah, I'm an action hero. What else do you expect? But to be fair to Salman Khan, to an action hero, domestic violence is not crime. It's just work from home. That's it.
Oh my god, that's terrible.
Yeah, so real estate, like land rate, property rates are so high in a country these days. Yes, I think we should use this to our advantage. High land property rates to solve our Kashmir problem. Like next time when Pakistan asks for Kashmir, let's just sell it to them. They're like, Kashmir चाहिए लो ना सर. ये 15,000 रुपए per square feet है. Total area is 700 crore square feet. कुल मिला के आपका हो गया 100 लाख करोड़ रुपए. अब ये औकात है तो खरीद लो सर. नहीं औकात है तो welcome, sir. So yeah, Kashmir. And just when Pakistan is thinking कि यार 100 लाख करोड़ रुपए कहाँ से लाएंगे, and an Indian guy comes like, अच्छा सर मैं एक फन फैक्ट बताने भूलिए सर. ये सर इसमें आपका लगेगा 10% डेवलपमेंट टैक्स, 11% प्रॉपर्टी टैक्स और 12% सर्विस टैक्स. तो टैक्स का हो जाएगा एडिशनल 40 लाख करोड़ रुपए, which is roughly 5 times your GDP. ट्रस्ट में सर इससे ज्यादा पैसे हमारी नीता अंबानी यहाँ पे रखती सर, यहाँ पे. करंट अकाउंट दूसरा सेविंग्स अकाउंट. कुछ आइडिया है आपको?
Get off the stage.
Oh no.
92 72 ब्लू सेंट्रो जिस किसी भी है पिछले वाले गेट से प्लीज उसको हटा दे. एक्चुअली वहाँ पे बियर वाला ट्रक आधे घंटे से अटका हुआ है, तो वो जब तक नहीं हटेगा आपका बार काउंटर वापस क्लोज हो सकता है. तो yeah, so apart from Kashmir, have you guys seen on advertisements the way they pamper women, man? Like they sell every product to women with so much love. They're like, आपकी नाजुक कोमल त्वचा के लिए. But to us men, they will ask us uncomfortable questions, right? क्या आपके दांतों में सड़न है? क्या आपकी सांसों में बदबू है? सर क्या आप बेडरूम में किसी तरह की कमजोरी महसूस करते हैं?
What he's saying is actually true though.
This just ain't the
Oh
room.
man.
Thank you. You guys were an awesome audience.
आपका तो पता नहीं, पर मेरी तो हंसते हंसते Please, another round of applause for the super funny Vipul Goyal.
अब सही नाम याद आया.
तो आज के प्रोग्राम को आगे बढ़ाने से पहले एक गेम खेलते हैं. क्या कहते हैं? हाँ हाँ हाँ, इस गेम का नाम है मेरा पति.
अरे सर क्या हुआ? इतनी जल्दी क्यों उतर गए? एक कैसी ऑडियंस थी यार, एकदम डेड. सारी जोक्स तो बाउंस हो गए. और वो बीच में क्या अनाउंसमेंट कर रहा है? वो गाड़ी की है, मेले में परफॉर्म कर रहा हूँ. देखो आर्टिस्ट की रिस्पेक्ट है नहीं है इधर.
तो रूल्स बहुत सिंपल. मैं आपको एक लेटर दूंगी जैसे कि एल. अब उस लेटर से आपको एक एक करके जो भी बुरा वर्ड आपके दिमाग में आएगा वो आप बोलेंगे. जैसे एल फॉर लुच्चा, एल फॉर लफंगा, एल फॉर लंगड़ा.
Are you okay? तुम बीच में छोड़ के आ गए.
यार ये मम्मी पापा की ऑडियंस में मेरा कंटेंट नहीं चलता है. फिर इवेंट वाले साले कोई रिसर्च करते नहीं, कहीं भी आर्टिस्ट चिपका दे.
लेकिन वो वर्ड बोलने से पहले आपको बोलना होगा मेरा पति. ठीक है? हाँ, घबराइए मत, बहुत मजा आएगा, आराम से खेलेंगे.
Oh no.
तो आप सबका लेटर है एन. ये लीजिए.
मेरा पति नटखट.
नटखट, कितना सही शब्द है आपने. नटखट कहाँ है आपके नटखट पति? अच्छा, खड़े हो गए किशन बन के. हैं किशन कन्हैया. चलिए.
मेरा पति नालायक.
What is that
I
word?
don't know that word.
ऐसा क्या करते हैं?
What is that? John knows good words.
I've never seen that one before.
चलिए, आप चलिए.
मेरा पति निकम्मा.
Ouch.
Nugatory means of no value or importance.
Oh wow. Okay, we all learned
That's
a new
a
word
huge
today.
word.
मेरा पति नंगा।
ऑडियंस डेड तो नहीं लग रही, आर्टिस्ट को पल्स पकड़नी आनी चाहिए।
Oh no.
Oh man.
Burn.
Theoretically right.
Yeah.
Ouch.
Oh boy.
Ouch.
You know, फ्लाइट्स में मिडिल सीट्स बेकार ही बदनाम है। विंडो सीट्स की तरह बार बार फ्लैप ऊपर नीचे नहीं करना पड़ता, आइल सीट्स की तरह फूड ट्रेज नहीं पास करने पड़ते। So much more peaceful, right?
Yeah.
Forget about tonight, people. Obviously, it wasn't your audience. You know why that story doesn't work?
पता नहीं यार, कश्मीर वाला सेट तो हमेशा किल करती है।
I'm talking about the proposal story.
Huh?
हमारी proposal story जो तुम सबको सुनाते हो, it doesn't work because it's not true.
Come on, Kavya. Maybe you don't remember because you were high, but you did come up to me.
I know.
And it was because you were given a dare, right? फिर?
But the dare was to propose to anyone at the party. I chose to come to you.
Aww. Stop.
What?
Because I was impressed by your sense of humor. कैसे तुम पूरा टाइम सबको हंसाते रहते थे. You literally have a superpower to make anyone happy. कभी-कभी मुझे लगता है that I didn't choose you because I was in love with you. I chose you because I'm your fan.
Wow.
I should date a subscriber.
के चक्कर में शादी कर ली तुमसे. Seriously. There's a reason why I didn't freak out when you said that you want to quit your job and try comedy. Because I know you have that gift.
Wow.
Hell supportive.
मेरा पति stud. मेरा पति smart. मेरा पति strong.
मेरा पति funny.
ऐसे चल रहा है.
Oh. मेरा पति so funny. And I'm back. क्या हुआ?
28 minutes पूरे हो गए.
Yeah. Thank you. You were an awesome audience.
Archived.
Oh, nice. We're gonna bring that back.
I know you have your life too, but please don't refuse invitations that come to you.
That was so sweet.
So sweet. Someone pass me my fucking water.
That's my water.
Give me
Hold on.
something.
I don't know which
मेरी beard.
one of these is
Okay.
yours.
Extra cool.
अरे सी से चल रहा है ना. काव्या focus यार.
Whatever.
Okay, you guys gotta come back January 8th.
This episode has been made possible by our friends at Foster's.
So
Hi guys, hope you liked the third episode. Please share the episode with your friend, be a friend, cool friend, extra cool friend. Fourth episode releases on 8th January. Did you hear that? 8th January. Exclusively on TVF Play app and website. It will not come on YouTube ever. So download the app and just do it.
So one of my friends, he downloads photos of girls from Facebook, and then he tells us all these fake stories. Like, dude, she's my ex-girlfriend. The next day, photo of some other girl on his computer. Again, who is she? She's my ex-girlfriend. The day after that, a French girl. Again, who is she? She's my ex-girlfriend. I was like, dude, how many ex-girlfriends do you have? Around 6 GB. Yeah, so, what else we got?
So real quick, we did watch the very end of the episode, but the camera cut out right as the punchline happened. Sorry. I don't know why they stop it at 30 minutes, but they do. Anyway, how'd you guys feel about the third episode?
I really enjoyed it. I like that relationship between him and his wife.
Yeah.
She's clearly the one who wears the pants in the relationship for the most part. I also find it interesting that she archives all of those negative things about
it's
him.
not the archiving it isn't the interesting aspect. It's that she's just so forward about it because all women archive everything.
I know, but I mean, you have to have a balance.
No.
You have to have a balance.
No, women archive the bad shit so they can call it back to you.
I agree with that 100%. But what I'm saying is, like, you got to have a balance between the bad stuff and the good stuff.
Yes.
Otherwise, why are you with him? But then it came back around at the end where she was like,
I don't know.
all of the good things.
I
about
could
him.
always see past just that. I don't think they just had like some negative relationship. I felt like she just constantly busted his balls, and I think he enjoys part of that banter and play too.
Just giving him a hard time, basically.
Yeah.
She's so good at it, though.
Yeah, she is. She's
Yeah, she does it to the point where you can't tell when it's like, are you just not liking him sometimes?
Well, it's cool because you really get to see how, like, a lot of couples in shows and in movies, like, you don't get to see just how they get along. You know, you just kind of accept that they're together. And what I thought was cool about this episode in particular is it's kind of all about the two of them. It was a little more dramatic of an episode. There was a little more, like, awkward tension than just, like, straight up funny stuff.
It didn't go dark though, which I was happy about.
Yeah.
It was still dramatic, but it wasn't like some dark episode, you know?
Yeah, it's like this was a tough day.
And a comedian, like, not getting laughs at a crowd, that's usually has to be an episode part of any show about a comedian.
Right.
Of the experience of having a non-laughing crowd. But I really liked the flip they had with that scene with his wife telling him about, you know, the reality of the story.
Yeah.
I'm surprised that they've never had that conversation all the time they've been together. But
Well, things like that happen. In a fictional show, you're gonna have that where it comes into play at the perfect moment.
Yeah.
Where it needs to show up.
That almost made me cry.
Yeah.
I really had to fight back my tears.
Well, and there's
like
also
coming on here and crying.
Well, there's also, like, you know, this show doesn't seem like it's pulling a lot of those punches a lot. So when one of those kind of convenient, like, oh, I'm surprised you hadn't mentioned this earlier, like, it didn't
feel out of place.
Pull me out. Yeah, it didn't feel out of place. I was
Yeah.
like, I can see from all the other, you know, interactions we've seen between them, I can see how it might have gotten this far.
I think this is a really well scripted show. Like, it's beyond some funny web series on the internet. This to me is like television quality in terms of the writing.
It's pretty real.
Yeah.
Like, it's a good balance of like things going well and things going wrong, things going well, things going wrong. And then I like the emotional overarching story of how everything seems to go. Because, you know, like, it does start off on the note of you can't do anything right. You know how, like, I guess every episode has that, where it's like there's something set up at the beginning and then it comes to full fruition by the end. And the beginning of this was like, you can't do anything right, the tension with his wife, and then by the end she comes to help uplift him during a time of turmoil.
Well, and the thing he kind of gets right over the course of this whole thing is it's their time together.
And what he gets
His
right is him
career
being...
stuff he doesn't get really right.
And she shows that she loves him for him too.
Right.
Which I really appreciated. Yeah.
Did you ever watch Seinfeld back in the day?
Seinfeld? Yeah.
Seinfeld?
Yeah.
What's Seinfeld?
Seinfeld.
Didn't I say Seinfeld?
He said
Seinfeld, but you know, it's okay.
Okay, so on Seinfeld, there would be like the stand-up bit that was kind of tied into the show as well, and it felt like it was kind of like if Seinfeld was more realistic and not playing towards jokes.
Yeah.
It'd be kind of like this.
Yeah, I think so, for sure.
I haven't watched much Seinfeld, and I always know people say I
thought Louis is like
show
the-
about nothing, and at least as long as we're doing the contrast, I feel like this definitely skirts that. Like, this is I like stuff that's like lifey.
Yes.
And this is super duper lifey.
Yeah.
And also, you know, this is a different culture from my own, so it pulls me in that much more.
I'm glad you mentioned that. So even though it's a different culture, do you still feel like it's super relatable?
Absolutely.
Oh, yeah. Well, and the thing is, because, you know, from listening to comedians on, like, podcasts and stuff, they'll always talk about, you know, like, oh, you go play Edinburgh and, like, half of the people are talking about just different regions of Scotland in, like, accents you can't quite pick up. I've at least been introduced to that, I guess, when he's doing, you know, stand-up and referencing all sorts of different, you know, cultural things. I can cross-reference this. I know what this would probably sound like here and what references these might be like, you know.
Right.
Lots lots of regional comedy and stuff.
Right.
So like the idea translates, I guess.
Yeah, for any Western or American alternative that I would be familiar with, this feels a lot more real than those counterparts, American counterparts. For me, anyway.
Yeah, and I like Louis. Like I like Louis a lot, but Louis is a totally different. It's like surreal and dark. You know?
It's just being real, like you said, it's lifey.
Real natural.
Slice of life.
Yeah.
And I feel he's also surrounded by, a variety of characters that I find funny as well and interesting.
Well, even though Bushy, his friend, wasn't there, he was
Yeah.
still a presence.
But just the
during
just the
show.
presence of him and like even the text messages and stuff were funny. Like, yeah.
Who's Carl? He didn't know who the wife was.
They do a nice job where like even the wacky characters are characters with philosophies that are true to themselves. So even that character, like the first time you meet him, you're like, this guy's ridiculous. And then in the second was it the second episode when he rocks out that whole phone call?
Yeah.
And then he's like, if work is religion, I am an atheist. I'm
Right,
like,
right.
that is exactly. You would be great at this, and that would be your opinion. This is how you would not be helpful. And so he, like, even that character doesn't feel just like, oh, wacky friend. Like,
Right.
that's just who that guy is.
Yes.
Right. It's a very tight show as well. It doesn't feel like there's anything superfluous in there. That wasn't always my opinion. Initially, I was like a little thrown by the relationship with the wife. The whole bit in the kitchen in episode 1 and him not understanding the food. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna hold out. I don't know where this is going. But then it progressed into something more and more with each episode, and I appreciate that. Everything that's there needs to be there, is what I'm getting at. So I really appreciate the writing in the show. I think we've covered this. Looking forward to episode 4, coming out January 8th. Not on YouTube, only on tvfplay.com. So you guys, please check out not Ryan. Fuck you with the name. God damn it.
Yeah, fuck me. Please.
Please check out Greg and John on The Real Rejects, youtube.com/TheRealRejects, and the social medias that are listed below their faces. And Achara Kirk. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Check out other reactions, reviews, short films, and video game related videos. I'm Jabby Kuwait. This is
Achara Kirk.
John.
Greg. Peace out.
Peace.
Damn, dude. Jesus. Peace out.